putting stairs on here. I had these stringers. And as I suspected, that slowed right down to a dribble, so it'll take forever. Well, I've decided to go to town. I need groceries and a few other things. I need a new spark plug for my chainsaw. And looking at this scrap wood that I have for my buck saw, I just don't like it. Looking good. Can you come straight out? Ah! So what's the deepest? Where was that? Yeah, that's where we thought. So somebody here hasn't seen Willow in 10 days. And what she doesn't know though, is that Willow's coming right very soon. Willow! Come on out, Willow! Oh, who Mr. Willow? Who Mr. Willow? Jeez, cut her some slack, man. You still got your onesie on. You can probably take that off, eh? Who's a good... Anyway, here's the sawbuck that I made. It's not all that glorious. In fact, a lot of it's just crap that I had lying around. Here's the view that I've opened up here. And it's just absolutely glorious. I also took down the branches on this pine tree, just took the chainsaw right down the side. And then there was an old dead tree there. I kicked it over and it's lying in the water now. Way to go, Junebug. Way to get the money shot there. Junebug managed to hit every muddy puddle between where we were and here, which wasn't far. She did a really good job. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. And go. it's a nice day and we're getting lots of power. So I'm going to I'm going to attempt to wash this thing that was on the couch, and it's pretty dirty. I was gonna go anyway. I thought, what's a little rain? I'm having honey garlic noodles with a wiener. Alright guys, so I've got stage 1 of the water filtration system working. Well guys, here's the new fridge. Oh, what a challenge that was to get in here.
I can't believe you're taking a video of this, and it's not going on YouTube, alright?
What do you think? So we've come across another beaver pond. I've never been here before, but we're still on our property. Still got a ways to go. Never a dull moment. Look at where this dumb dog is. Willow! Here she goes. Right! Whoa! I don't know what's making that noise. Anyway, good morning, guys. It is September something here at Raspberry Rock. Junebug. Junebug. Hey. Puppies. Hi, puppies. That's a good girl. How are you?